sub-junior and junior championship, boxing championship, which we organized as part of the state boxing championship, and we are very happy with the results, especially the sub-junior and the junior girls. Our sub-junior and junior girls have done extremely well at the nationals and at the REC talent hunt finals as well. At both the places we've got 1 gold and 2 bronze, which is excellent. Our Suman Patil and our international boxer Lakshmi Lamani, she has now become an Asian silver medalist. And Suman Patil, she is right on the top at the moment, having won a gold at the joint talent and finals. Very soon we are going to have a training competition with some of the best teams from India, especially for the girls. Once we start the academy, we are sure we will be at least one of the first 5 boxing associations in the country.
On behalf of the Goa Amateur Boxing Association, I want to thank Prudent for taking this initiative for promoting the game of boxing in Goa. First, let me tell you, we are just completing the sub-juniors and juniors boxing championship here, and I am really proud of the participant and the number of participants which have come here. In spite of being on holiday, we have more than 150 participants participating in this championship. This entire credit goes to my committee, which has been formed under the leadership of my chairman, Mr. Francis Vegas, who has given us the tremendous support, not only in terms of finance, but also in terms of bringing people together. I want to thank him because of the regular meetings which we conduct every month to promote the game. What the committee has taken on is taking the game to the various levels, especially to the schools, going to the remotes of the schools and actually enrolling the principal and the PE teachers to take on the game of boxing. In schools there are various sports. Inside the sports, schools such as Dr. Ambedkar, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, one more school which is there in Gulwade, and Vaikund School has given us the clearance. Kamleshwari School is going to start. In the south, we have gone and Rotary School have started the game, and there are almost more than 40 students in Rotary School. And in south, we have taken on another schools, and SHG has also supported us by giving us the places in south. Looking forward for the next year to cross more than 500 students who will be participating in the state championship, and we will be looking forward for them to take up their international medals and win medals for Goa. Goa being the host for the nationals, we have already won 9 medals, for 3 golds, 3 silver and 3 bronze. But we are going to go more medals for, and then we are going to ensure that the boxing is going through the villages and we get the best of the boxers from the village. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.